Next thing we got is this piece of tinware here, which has our piece that opens as it heats up. This spring opens and opens our flap to make sure that we're getting enough cooling to it. So we're going to attach that. It goes through there. There's another plate which I need to find, but this has all been nicely powder coated as well. And then it will go on this side of the engine. So let's find the bits and put that together. Okay, so we have our little plate here. I believe it goes on this way round. And take this nut and washer set off here. And we put this end through the hole, because it's an odd shaped nut, it should go through only one way. Now we need to get some little washers and nuts to put on these. So these are M8s. Just knock them up for the moment. It would seem when the powder coater kindly took this apart to do it, he put it back, but he put the plate back inside of this ridge. It needed to be outside, so I had to take this nut off, which is a 13, take the spring off, carefully try and prise this piece out until I could get it to where it needed to be, which is over there. Thread this piece back through, tighten the nut, and then we have our spring mechanism. So as it warms up, this will heat. There's a spring kind of heat valve thing in here, and as that heats up, opens, and it opens this vent, providing some extra cooling. So this goes on this side here. From memory, this is going to be really annoying. I believe that I need to take the head off in order to get this on and then put the head back on. So, done a lot of work there to now undo, which is great. So we can slide this piece in its right place. Okay. Well, we live and learn. Hopefully you watch far enough ahead on these videos so that you know not to make the same mistakes as me. And thankfully we didn't do this up very tight and we didn't put any gasket on it, so that's good news. Off now. Go. Next we'll remove this, the carb, just the carb and the rocker back off. Now we need to crack our head off again. So reverse order to how we put it together. It heads off and it's lifted itself up on those springs, which might give me enough room, let's hope, to slot this in. There we go. We're back to tightening up the head, and it is 18 first pass, 24 second pass, foot-pounds. And we're going to do this in the order. I'm just going to nip these up a little bit because they're still quite a long way off where they need to be. Do it in the right order though. Okay, not too far off now. Okay, right, so this is number one. Quite a long way off actually, now we're tightening down, aren't we? Alright, I'm going to go around again. Still quite a lot of slack to take up here. Okay, remind ourselves of the order. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so back on number one. There we go, one's done. 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Now we move to 24 foot-pounds. Three, 4. Tighten that up again, and again we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to check it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay. Next we're back on with the rocker. Hopefully this is the last time that I'll need to slide this on, but you never know. Try and get it on the right way, it would help, wouldn't it? Let's walk it down. Get the oil pipe on, which it is. Then try and seat the actual pieces. From behind, because that might be slightly easier. Back on with our 13s. This was 15 foot-pounds, so we're going back down. To 15. And the 13. Okay, just a quick spray of degreaser. So make sure we get a nice seal around here. The carb. Be good now. So first gasket on, followed by a tray, followed by the second gasket. On with our carb. 1, second washer. There we go. Don't want to lose it. Okay, so we take these back down with a 10 spanner. Okay, we're back up and running. We've got our rocker cover back on, we've got our carb back on, we've got this now in place, and now we need to start securing it. The washer on this side is quite interesting. It's kind of a large washer with a bit cut off the top, and this goes on this side of the engine, so front of the engine. Need an extender there. Okay. I've got a 13 bolt washer on this side. Sorry, nut and washer. Good. Right, and there's a small bolt that goes in the top here, so let's add that. Oh, looks like it should line up. Okay, I think I've got it. I just need. I think it's going to be an 8. Okay, no, it's going to be a 10, sorry. I need to pin the bolts up here as well. Make sure it's on the big bolt on the top of the tinware. Sorry, nut. When you're doing that, you're really hoping you're not going to damage your nicely powder coat tinware, which seems to be okay, which is good.